Welcome back to EBT Performance Pakenham, the home of Squid Speed Shop. Today, I've got a short video for you, which is just a bit of a shop update of what I've got going on, because I am flat out and I haven't had time to put together a nice video for you, something of a bit of interest. So I thought I'd let you know what I've got in the shop at the minute and what you have to look forward to in upcoming episodes. So I've got a Gen 2 Lowrider ST. This one's getting a Stage 2 package. I believe the Star Racing M28, big throttle body. And this thing's gonna absolutely fly. Over here, got a Gen 1 Street Glide. It's in for a dyno tune, but the clutch was slipping. It's just had a bit of wear. So we ended up putting a bigger throttle body and manifold in it because this has a early A.P.E. 128 kit in it with their headwork. So we've upped the throttle body, needs a better clutch, and then I'm going to dyno tune it to perfection. I've got in the back here a Gen 2 breakout. That's also Stage 2. That just needs a tune. Another breakout here with, this was a service and a compensator upgrade. We've got my rig at the minute. I've just been trying out one of the Saddlemen road sofas, just for a bit of two-up riding. And look, it's pretty good. So if you're interested in a new seat, maybe check out the Saddlemen road sofa. Most importantly, one of the coolest jobs I've got coming up is this Gen 2 Lowrider ST, and it is getting my Squid Speed Shop Stage 4, but the Gen 2 version. So I'm gonna be super excited to see what it does in the Gen 2. I have Ram's Head Service doing their magic on the heads for me, and we're gonna see how much power we can get out of having the Squid Speed Shop Stage 4, which you guys all know and love for its maximum effort with touring rideability. And so that's one to keep your eyes out for. I'm super excited for that. As well as upstairs, I've got 3 bikes on the go up there, 2 Gen 1s getting the Squid Speed Shop Stage 4. They're apart, the machine work's getting done at the minute. And then I've also got one that wasn't lucky when it comes to crankshaft run out. And so that one is getting a replacement S&S crankshaft. And so that'll be another video coming up, guys, where I'll show you what's involved in replacing the crankshaft. And so I've got a hell of a lot going on at the minute, and that's why I haven't had a chance to give you guys a new video of something a little bit different, because I do hate repeating the same combinations all the time. And generally, I recommend the same things all the time because I think they're the best, until I come across something else that blows that out of the water. And so that's just a little bit of a rundown of what I've got in the workshop at the minute. But if we come through, what have I got? Ton of parts lined up for the jobs that are coming up. And then as we head on down to the office, all the merch is here, guys. So don't forget to come into the store and pick yourself up something nice. We've got the jumpers, we've got the fist handwear gloves, we've got the t-shirts and the beanies. So make sure you come in, get yourself something, and stay tuned for some more high horsepower builds coming your way. Don't forget that if you like what I've got going on here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your buddies. Get in the comment section, let me know all about it. I have a ton of videos on the channel, so feel free to go back and watch them if you're new, and feel free to get over to the social media pages, give them a follow. It's EBT Pakenham on Instagram and on Facebook. And until next week, guys, hooroo.